Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm stitching instructor making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to convert old sweaters into a beautiful bed sheet. I took this card sheet, its width is 9.5, almost 10 inches and length is 10 inches. With this help I will cut same size sweater pieces. I just put it on the sweater and cut it with the help of the scissor very carefully. I will try to take out the 8 pieces from one sweater. I cut 8 pieces from the one sweater. These are old sweaters. I will cut them also. This leftover sleeves I will not waste. I will make up pillow covers with the help of these. All old sweaters pieces have been cut. Before sew, I keep it in this sequence in order to make it more beautiful. Each sequence line I am sewing vertically. All vertical sequence lines I have sewn. It's time to sew all sequence horizontally in order to make a bed sheet. After sewed all sequence, it look like this. It's time to make a pillow covers. Its length is 10 inches and width is 5 inches. Some sweater pieces are remain, so I cut them this size. I kept it in this sequence, and then I will sew them vertical wise and after that horizontal wise. Both vertical wise sequence I have sewn. Now I will join them horizontal wise. It has sewn. It's time to make a frill on the pillow covers. I chose a red color. You can use another color also. It's up to you. After pinning, I will sew frill with the pillow covers very easily. I have sewn now. I already prepared one pillow cover and I have sewn all sides that red color frill. It made this pillow more beautiful. Bed sheet with pillow covers is completed. It looks so beautiful. You can make it also very easily. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. You can visit my Facebook page. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.